Stop buying things that make you look rich and start buying things that actually make you rich. Because the truth is, most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because they spend like consumers rather than thinking like investors. In this video, I'm gonna break down a mindset shift that separates people that stay stuck from those that actually build real wealth. This won't be any complicated finance talk, just practical ways that you can turn your money into something that pays you back. Let's be real. This modern lifestyle is designed to make you spend. A new phone every year because you gotta have the most up-to-date gadget. New clothes every week because you gotta be fleek. But you're just upgrading things you don't even need. And what's crazy about it is that most of these things lose value the moment you buy them. And that's called a liability, something that takes money out of your pocket. But here's the problem. We've been trained to choose the appearance of wealth instead of the source of wealth. So, what is an asset? An asset is simple. It's simply something that puts money in your pocket. Not maybe, not someday, consistently. Examples: rental property, dividend paying stocks, and a small business. Even digital products or a YouTube channel that earns ad revenue. The key idea is this: if it doesn't pay you, it's costing you. Wealthy people don't just ask, can I afford this? They ask, will this make me money? That one question can change your entire life. Instead of buying $1,000 phone just to flex, what if that same $1,000 went into something that actually grew? Because here's the secret: assets buy your lifestyle later. And the truth is, you don't need to be rich to start buying assets. Start small. Maybe it's just putting money into investments regularly, buying tools that help you earn more, or starting a side hustle, learning a skill that increases your income. Even saving consistently is step one because it gives you capital to invest. The goal isn't to stop enjoying life. It's to stop delaying your future just to impress people today. Delayed gratification. This is where most people fail. They want results fast, but wealth is built slow and steady. If you can delay gratification now, you create freedom later. And freedom is the real flex. So the next time you're about to spend money, pause and ask yourself, is this going to make me look rich or become rich? Start buying assets. Start building income. Start thinking long term. Because one day, your assets will pay for everything that you used to work for. If you like this video, click the subscribe button so that you'll be able to see more of my videos on building real wealth. And I'll see you in the next video.